In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable form that feeds responses straight into your base, so everything stays organized and easy to analyze. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Airtable website. Sign into your account so you can access your workspaces and bases. If you already have a base set up for this project, open it. If not, create a new base and give it a clear name that reflects your survey's purpose, so it's easy to find later. Inside your base, create a dedicated table for survey responses. Keeping responses in their own table makes it simple to filter, chart, or export results. Next, add fields that match the survey questions you want to ask. Think about the right field type for each question. Single select for multiple choice, rating for scales, checkbox for yes or no, and long text for open-ended feedback. Rename fields to be clear and concise, and consider marking key questions as required so you don't miss essential information. Now, it's time to turn those fields into a shareable form. Look to your Views panel and click Add View, or the plus icon beside your views. From the list of view types, choose Form. Airtable will build a form view using the fields in your table. Arrange and customize your survey fields so they flow naturally for respondents. Drag to reorder questions. Hide any internal fields you don't want people to see, and add helpful descriptions to clarify what you're asking. Keep the form short and focused to reduce drop-off and group related questions together. If your survey collects contact info, place those fields at the end so people don't feel blocked up front. Before you share anything, preview the form. Use the preview to check spacing, labels, and how it looks on mobile, since many people will respond on their phones. Submit a quick test response to confirm that answers land in the correct fields and required questions behave as expected. If something feels confusing, adjust the labels or help text now. When you're happy with it, click Share Form or Copy Link to get a direct URL. You can send this link by email, post it in chat, or include it in a message or newsletter. Keep your message clear and let people know approximately how long the survey will take. That's it. Your Airtable survey is live, and responses will flow straight into your table, ready to filter, sort, and report.